In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lip sync in Heygen. We'll move through the process step by step so you can confidently create a dubbed video with natural, synchronized mouth movements. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Heygen. Look for the official site with the heygen.com address in the results. It's a good idea to avoid lookalike links and ads that don't clearly point to the official domain. Once you've found the correct result, click through to land on the home page. From there, click Sign In. Use your existing credentials or your preferred sign-in method to access your workspace. You won't need a microphone for this workflow, since we're focusing on translation and lip sync, not recording. After you've signed in, locate the Translate section in the navigation. This is where Heygen houses its dubbing tools for transforming spoken content into another language while preserving timing and tone. Inside Translate, choose Video Dubbing. This option is designed specifically for taking an existing video and producing a translated version with synchronized speech. Now, upload your video file or paste a YouTube or Google Drive URL, then click Continue. If you're using a link, make sure it's accessible. Private or restricted links won't process. Clear, well-recorded audio in your source video will give the best results. Also, only upload content you have permission to use. Next, open the advanced settings. These controls let you fine-tune how Heygen processes your clip. In this panel, ensure the lip sync option is turned on. This feature analyzes facial movements in your video and aligns the translated voice track to the speaker's mouth, creating a more realistic result. Keep in mind, enabling lip sync can add a bit of processing time, but it's usually worth it for quality and immersion. When you've confirmed those settings, click Translate to begin. Heygen will automatically analyze your video speech, generate the translation, and apply dubbing with lip synchronization. Processing time depends on the length and quality of your video. Feel free to keep the browser tab open and avoid refreshing until it finishes. That's the complete workflow. Search for Heygen, open the official site, sign in, go to Translate, choose Video Dubbing, add your video or link, and continue. Open Advanced, toggle Lip Sync on, and start the translation. Follow these steps and you'll have a polished, dubbed video with convincing mouth movements that match the new audio.